Hi guys, this is an update for mobile lazy handle. I used every day this one, and after using couple of times it broke from here, the end. You can see it broke from here because if you can see inside, the rest of the part of this wire is like is kind of round. Okay, we can twist it anywhere, but here it's kind of hard. I tried to twist it a couple of times here, and it broke from here. So beware of that, and don't twist it at the very end of this handle. But I can still use this handle, I mean, we can twist it and keep it somewhere, and otherwise we can twist it like this and keep it as a tripod or something like that. And see, still usable. And right now I'm using as a monopod actually. We can use it as a camera handle. We can twist it like this, and we can use it as a camera handle. We can place the camera here. We can place the camera here, and we can use it like this. So it's still usable. So please note that don't turn this part. Okay, this very end. If you turn it here, and it will tear it off from here. It will break from here, and we can't use that clip now anymore. Okay, and keep that in mind. And I bought this for 150 rupees or something like that, and it's still usable, and it is pretty very cheap actually, and it's very useful product. You can try it from Flipkart. I bought it from Amazon, I guess, and still usable. Yeah, it's very nice product actually. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and get in touch. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.